Hi guys, today we want to talk about the importance of coconut water in fighting viral infection. Welcome back. Like I said earlier on, today we want to talk about the importance of coconut water in fighting viral infection. Coconut water is a highly valued water due to its nutritional and therapeutic properties. Over the past years, coconut water has been used extensively as a treatment for cholera, dysentery, influenza, and other infectious diseases that promotes dehydration. It contains complex blend of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, carbohydrates, and etc. So coconut water has proven to be very essential when it comes to fighting so many diseases in the body. Now let's get down to the uses of coconut water as it helps to solve so many health problems. The first thing, number one, it is used as a religious symbol. Due to its sterile and pure liquid nature, coconut water has been a religious symbol for a long time. In Asia, practically, especially in India, tender or immature coconuts has been used as ceremonial gifts and serve as purification media at traditional events. You see. Number two, it is used as a natural beverage. Now, coconut water from the immature nuts nowadays is consumed as a refreshing drink by thousands of people. Thousands of people in the world take fresh coconut water like daily because they believe it boosts their energy and their metabolism rate. History has it that centuries ago, Polynesians, Melanesians, and even the Micronesians mariners used coconut fruit as reserves of food and drink because they believe it supplies them energy as far as they can go. Number three, due to its high medicinal content, coconut water, it helps to regulate blood pressure due to the potassium level in the coconut. Coconut water also helps to improve blood circulation, thereby reduces swellings in the hands and feet. It also prevents abnormal blood clotting. Coconut water also helps in kidney function, including those with kidney stones. Why this helps is because of the diuretic nature of the coconut. So it also helps in the urinary tract infection and bladder problems, because when it comes to UTIs, we are meant to believe that bacteria sticks to the walls of the uterine, which impedes the flow of urine, thereby causing several burning. If not treated, might lead to infertility issues. Now, number seven, it helps to balance blood sugar in diabetic patients. Coconut water also improves digestion, thereby relieving constipation and diarrhea. This is because of the fiber content of the coconut fruit. Coconut water also possesses an anti-aging property. This means it improves healthy skin. It reduces age spots, reduces wrinkles and sagging. Coconut water also boosts immune function. Now when you take a glass of coconut, that means you have all of this in your body. Now the integral part of this video, which is very important, is that do you know that researchers has it that doctors have used coconut water successfully as an intravenous fluid for over 60 years. Okay, another thing, do you know that coconut water has 5 electrolytes that the body needs? 5 good electrolytes that the body needs. Now this electrolyte includes potassium, sodium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. You can bear with me that the function of these 5 electrolytes can never be overemphasized, because as the body needs these 5 electrolytes to perform its optimal duty. You also know that according to study, the AIDS organization has documented several HIV/AIDS patients whose viral load fell to as low as undetectable levels when they took coconut oil or ate coconut. So you see, with a glass of coconut water, you can have all this benefit. So coconut water actually can protect you against viral infection of any sort. And taking a glass of coconut can actually keep your body moving, keeping in a good shape.